Hi everyone, so today you will learn how to open multiple terminals in VS Code editor. To open a terminal, you can go to view and click on terminal. So it will open the single terminal for you. If you want to have multiple one, you can click on this plus sign. If you want to have one more, you can click again. Now you can see I got three terminals, and if I want to switch, I can click on the terminal like this. But the problem here is I have no idea what terminal is for what purpose. To simplify it, you can simply right click on it like this and change the color. So let's make it red, and you can also give it a name. I'll make it dev. In a similar way, you can do it for the another one. Change the color, make it green, give it a name, prod. Let's go for the last one. Change the color, make it yellow, rename it and make it staging. You can stretch this a bit so that you can clearly see the names. So you can see I got three terminals here, dev, prod and staging, and I can easily switch between them by clicking on them. So I hope you understood how to have multiple terminals in VS Code editor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.